Like they work in the phone. Back to that man, I'm hurting them though. So they're not a person to know. Get one and I'm the person to know. That mother take it personal. Cause I'm in the street. I hope to be the first to flow. Man, I'm witty, I'm predictable. On any track I roll. It don't take much for me to act. I'm full of just take.
Now this is a story all about how my life got turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air. In West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground of Bel Air most of my days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all going on, shooting some b-ball outside of the school. When a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air." I begged and pleaded with her day after day, but she packed my suitcase and sent me on my way. She gave me a kiss and then she gave me my ticket. I put my Walkman on and said, "I might as well kick it. First class, yo, this is bad. Drinking orange juice out of a champagne glass. Is this what the people of Bel Air live like? This might be alright. But wait, I hear the